Hello guys, in this video we are diving into the exciting world of crypto payments and talking about if mass adoption is just around the corner. From Bitcoin ATMs to major retailers accepting Bitcoin, it seems like the tide is turning. But is the world really ready for a future where we're using Bitcoin instead of cash? Let's break it down. First off, why are we seeing more people talk about crypto payments now? It's because the technology and acceptance are finally catching up. First off, why are we seeing more people talk about crypto payments at the moment? It's because technology and acceptance are finally catching up. More and more businesses are jumping on board, and there's been huge growth in the numbers of people using cryptocurrency to buy things. Let's take a look at some key examples. PayPal now lets users buy, hold and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum directly from their accounts, and they've even partnered with Visa and MasterCard to allow users to pay for goods and services with crypto. Also, Tesla made headlines when they briefly accept Bitcoins for car payments. True, they've paused it from now. It's clear that the future of payments could include crypto in a big way. Crypto also could offer some major advantages over traditional payment systems. For example, first would be faster transactions. Cross-border payments take minutes, not days. Second would be low fees. You can say goodbye to high bank fees or international transfer costs. Third, increased privacy, which is also very important. With crypto, transactions can be more private than traditional methods. But of course, there are still some hurdles standing in the way of mass adoption. Let's take a look at the biggest challenges. First would be the regulatory concerns. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate crypto payments, with some countries embracing it while others impose heavy restrictions. Second is the price volatility. The price of Bitcoin can fluctuate wildly, and for everyday purchases, this can create a problem. Imagine paying for a coffee today and the price of your crypto goes up 10% the next day. Third would be security risk. While blockchain is highly secure, there are still concerns around hacking, scams and crypto theft, especially for everyday users who may not fully tech aware. So while crypto has huge potential, these barriers still need to be addressed before it can be widely used for day-to-day transactions. Let's talk about something that might help make crypto payments even more mainstream. Stable coins. These are digital currencies backed by fiat currencies, unlike other cryptocurrencies, for example, like Bitcoin. So what's next? We're still in the early stages, but things are definitely moving in the right direction. Here's what you can expect in the near future, in my opinion. First is more retail adoption, of course. Big names like Starbucks, Subways, or even Amazon could start accepting crypto payments as the consumer demand rises. Second, integration with payment processes. As platforms like Square, Stripe, and PayPal keep expanding their crypto services, using crypto will become more seamless. Third, regulation and security. As governments and regulators finalize crypto laws, we'll see better frameworks for security, privacy, and consumer protection, which will boost trust in using crypto for payments. So, do you think crypto payments will replace traditional payment systems in the next 5 to 10 years? Or do you think we'll always need a combination of both? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your opinions on it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates on crypto, and click on the bell so you never miss out on news and deep dives like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.